Hello guys! Today I've got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily find the battery percentage of your speaker in your Android phone. So, you need to remember that JBL doesn't send any information about your battery from your speaker to your phone. You can't in your phone, like the system. You can't view the battery level in your phone settings. You need to download the app. This application is called JBL Portable, and once you download this application, open it. As you can see in a moment, we'll see our speaker with our battery percentage 54%. That's how it works. Let me know if it helped you. Goodbye.